my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, coming at you with not an oldie but a good video. So those of you that may be new to my channel, I am just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. So y'all, we have supposed to be Tropical Storm Elsa on her way later tonight or early morning. So there's a couple things I wanted to come out here and go ahead and harvest before all that rain come and then stuff start bursting over, well, bursting open. And also my beans, I want to go ahead and get them before I lose some of them, because it's been a while since I did a bean harvest. So it's already 7 o'clock in the evening, mosquitoes is out, so let's go ahead and get into this video.
Just be. Don't take it. Take it. Just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season. Lay foundation. Make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Look at this, y'all. And that ain't it. So what I was showing y'all was some of them have dried. These are seeds that can be planted. So some of them have dried. I don't know if y'all could see hubby, but hubby was on the other side getting some of these for me too. So this is the beans that we got. I'm just gonna pour them in here. So we got a bowl of beans, and I have some in my hold up, y'all, in my deep freezer already. And then these right here is some dry ones. So I'm just gonna throw them on top, and then we're gonna go over here and get a couple more things before this rain get here. So I got a couple Carmen Italian peppers that's in turn red that I need to go ahead and get. So I'm about to go down here and get those, and then I am gonna go down there and I see a couple of red hot chilies. So you're just gonna see me getting some of these peppers and stuff. I'm not gonna talk much because the dogs is barking, and I don't want y'all to try to hear me over them. So just letting y'all know what I'm gonna do. You're gonna see me going throughout just picking up different peppers, okay?
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love. Catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I were so sweet, talking till we asleep. Every night I fall deep. But love, yeah. Cause you really get me. Make me fall to my knees. Every night I fall deep. But love. Wait a minute. Don't you leave before I get to kiss you. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you.
Tell me if I got it wrong, but you don't wanna be alone. Spend the evening by yourself, but you'll miss me when it's getting late. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe, save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me, I'm yours. If you let go, boy, loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy, you don't have to You need me when it's getting dark. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let me. Got it all, babe. Save arms when you're ready. I'm here when you need me. I'm yours if you let go, boy. Loving is a safe card. You don't have to play hard. Love and let go, boy. You don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it. Every time it's a blessing, and I know we can take it to the next level. If you let go, boy, you don't have to play smart. We can take it slow. You know it.
Okay, y'all, so we got more ground cherries to get. So because it's a hassle trying to record and get these things because they all in between the buckets and stuff, I am just going to show y'all. We got more to get, and y'all know we've been harvesting these like crazy. And then I am about to just start getting them. Okay, y'all, so yes, I have changed clothes. I gotta do a little bit more filming tonight. But after coming from out there in that garden, I have to go get that off me. I have to get in the shower. So it's the same day. I am just in different clothes. So let's go ahead and do this quick weigh-in. Okay, so I got my book now so I can write everything down. So we're going to do the cucumbers first. Let me show y'all. We did get a couple of these cucamelons. I don't know if I can get them. We did get a couple of them off the thing. I do have them in there. I know they don't weigh much, but that's how they look. So we got these so we can taste them and see how they taste. It's kind of late, so I don't really want to taste it tonight. It's past the time that I would literally eat something. So I'll do that for y'all in another video. But let's go ahead and weigh these cucumbers. Let's see. I'm going to leave them in this container. This container don't weigh anything. So let me go ahead and bring y'all down to the scale. So here's the scale. Y'all can see we zeroed out. Well, we zeroed out now, so I'm just going to place this. And this is different varieties. And that is 8 pounds. 8 pounds of cucumbers. It's heavy, y'all. So we got 8 pounds. Wow. Okay, so we zeroed out. So right here is some peppers. Got some. Oh, this is a lemon cucumber. I know it don't weigh anything, so it was supposed to be over here. But right here we got purple bell, poblano peppers. Got this red Carmen Italian. Well, this is red cowhorn. I'm loving that they turn it red. Red Carmen Italian. I said poblanos. Then we got the red hot chilies. I'm doing a mix with these because of it was, you know, a lot of different ones, like different varieties, but not that much of. That's what I'm trying to say. So we zeroed out, and I'm gonna put it here. So we're gonna do a mixture of peppers, and that is 1.5 pounds. So 1.5 pounds. All right. Then we got the beans. These couple little dried beans, there's like 5 or 6 of them. I'm gonna pop these open. These are beans that can be planted. They have already dried. Okay, so these are already dried outside. So now we're zeroed out, and I got my bean mix, and we are at, what's that, 2 pounds. Is that 2 pounds? Let me see. I'm looking upside down, y'all. Yep, 2 pounds. Let's see. Alright, so next I was able to harvest one of the vine peach. This is another thing I'm gonna have to open for y'all probably tomorrow. This is the vine peach or the mango melon, but this one was ready, y'all, and I know it don't weigh nothing. Yes, it don't weigh nothing, so I'm just gonna put that as 1 count. And what y'all did not see us get was some more ground cherries, y'all. This is what we was able to harvest today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on here. And we got 1 pound. 1 pound. Write this down. And so we was able to eat up pretty much some of the ground cherries. This is what we have from what, a day or two ago left. So we got these that we haven't ate. We ate the other bowl. And then we harvested these today. So y'all, the thing about growing ground cherries, they produce a lot. So let me tally this up, bring y'all back. So everything that I just showed y'all came up to 12.5 pounds of food, y'all. 12.5 pounds of food. So I gotta get these beans. I'm probably not gonna do them tonight. I'll do them early morning, if it's God's will. Pretty much all this stuff will get put up early morning. But everything came up to 12.5 pounds of food. Y'all, the garden has produced so much food, and I'm so thankful. So I hope this was motivational and encouraging for somebody to start growing their own food if you haven't started. And for those of you that have started, grow. You can get an abundance of it. And just remember, be patient for some of the things in the garden. They do take time. Like these poblano peppers, last year they was really big, the ones I grew. This year, the ones, if y'all remember from the harvest side, the last harvest, they was about this tall. These poblano peppers came from where hubby is growing, where his pepper area is, and they are big. But right across, my peppers are not that big, y'all, are not that big. So keep that in mind. Things do produce differently, and they could be the same thing. So don't give up. Just do what you gotta do, and it will provide for you. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did filming it. And with that being said, I want y'all to be safe, and I will see you in the next video if it's God's will. Until next time, happy gardening. Bye.